For the device management tab, you can navigate to the left-hand column, device management. And this will show you everything from warranty end dates to MAC addresses to serial numbers of the motherboard to processors. Any one of these columns can be added to this grid view for expanded customization. To customize this view, you can drag and drop columns wherever you would like, or you can also add additional columns by clicking the column chooser button in the upper right hand corner and then check marking additional boxes. You can also sort all of these tabs by clicking on the column you would like to sort by.